curves in Illustrator are known as Bezier curves. There's a mathematics behind it, but in digital art, Bezier curves simply means curves that we can adjust. And the way we adjust curves in Illustrator is through the anchor points and the handles that are associated with those anchor points. So let me show you. I'll enable the direct select tool, the white arrow. If I cursor over my curve and click on it, you'll see the blue path that the line is following, and you'll see the anchor points, which are these hollow white blocks. Those are the points that we drew with the pen tool, and every anchor point will have at least one handle associated with it on a curve. To see all the handles, you have to cursor over the anchor point directly, and you'll see the word anchor will come up. Click on it, and now I can see the the handles associated with this anchor point. So the anchor point is the point that we drew with the pen tool. The handle is how we control the steepness or the direction of the curve. So if I cursor over the handle endpoint with my white arrow, click and hold, I can pull it and make it longer, for example. And so here's my anchor point, the end of my handle. I got this nice long handle. I have a very gentle slope. Okay, that's something to remember and as we work through the remaining videos. If I click on the handle and pull it in very, very close to the anchor point, very short handle, I get a steeper curve. So that's something to a basic principle: long handle, gentle curve, short handle, steep curve. Now I can also cursor directly on top of the anchor point with the white arrow, click and hold, and I can pull the anchor point anywhere I want to. So with those, just by being able to move the anchor point and by pulling the handles, you have a lot of control.